Painless Performance 20-circuit OEM Universal style pre-wired fuse block. Part number 30003 is a great starting point for custom wiring. The fuse block is pre-wired and labeled for the following circuits: starting, climate control, dash gauges, brake lights, headlights, coil, horn, dome light, radio, electric fan, turn signals, emergency flashers, windshield wipers, alternator, power windows, power door locks, electric fuel pump, backup lights, 12-volt outlet, and an optional accessory. The kit also includes a mounting bracket, fuses, flashers, horn relay, terminals, and a set of instructions. The fuse block is 5 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and 7.5 inches tall.